Very good morning to one and all. I am Professor Naran Pindoria, convener of Sustainability Fair and faculty in Electrical Engineering at IIT Gandhinagar. I, on behalf of IIT Gandhinagar, welcome to the distinguished speakers, scholars, policymakers, industry, and NGO participants who have gathered today at the third annual Sustainability Fair organized by IIT Gandhinagar's Dr. Kiran C. Patel Center for Sustainable Development. Before I aspect about today's event, let me share a quick background about annual Sustainability Fair. The annual Sustainability Fair by Dr. Kiran C. Patel Center for Sustainable Development was started in 2019 to promote collaborations between researchers, scholars, organizations, and industries in the area of sustainable development. The fair brings together various scholars, NGOs, corporate activities, and the technical groups for networking and collaborations. It also features exhibitions of literature and demonstration of various sustainable development practices, activities, experiences, and ideas in the area of renewable energy, water conservation, water quality, climate change, pollution, waste management, natural resources, wildlife and ecosystems, among others. The third annual Sustainability Fair organized by the center today is on the theme of renewable energy and water resources. We are extremely honored that today's event is being inaugurated by Sri Vijay Rupani, Chief Minister of Gujarat. We are so grateful to have distinguished keynote speakers, Dr. Rajendra Singh of Tarun Bharat Sangh, Dr. Kalaniti of the International Water Association, and Dr. Ashok Das of Fair is hosting virtual exhibition by regional and national industries and organizations demonstrating ongoing sustainable development practices. Around 50 organizations, including government agencies, industries, academic and research institutions, NGO, innovators, and corporates are exhibiting at today's fair. The event explores the knowledge transfer and academia industry partnership around a wide range of sustainable development themes, conduct panel session on best practices and projects, and organize networking session around the theme of sustainable development. This fair also features a panel discussion with sustainability officers on sustainability reporting and sustainability finance. I'm sure that the keynote sessions, academic industry networking, and panel session and exhibition events scheduled in the fair today will be enriching and promoting collaboration with all the stakeholders involved in the sustainability development activities.